Welcome back to this channel, and on today's video we are going to talk about exponential inequalities. So we only have one example here to solve, and if you are new to this channel, please watch the other video about the exponential equation so that you can understand some of the operations that we are going to perform here together. So just like exponential equation, the only difference is just the inequality sign, but the same procedure. So for instance, we know that 1 over 216 is the same thing as 216 raised to power 1, okay? We know that this is the same thing as this. So basically what we are going to write here, we are going to say 216, okay, raised to power negative 1, then multiply by 2x minus 2, which is less or equals to 36, 4x plus 17. Okay, so you look at the both sides of the inequality. You see that here we can say 6 squared is 36, right? And here also we can say 6 cubed is going to give you 216. And that is what we are going to do. So here you now say 6, okay? You have cube. Remember there is negative 1 here, okay? So basically what you have to do is you just say the negative 1 multiplied by the 3, so it's going to give you negative 3, okay? 2x minus 2, then it's less or equals to 6 power 2, then 4x plus 17. Just as simple as that. Or you can even take this from here where you have 1 over 216. You can easily do it direct. You say it's 6 raised to power negative 3. It's still going to give you the same thing. So basically what you now have to do is we can simplify the powers. So you have 6, negative 3 times 2x is going to give you negative 6x. Okay, so negative 3 multiplied by negative 2 is going to give you plus 6. Then it's less or equals to 6. You have 2 multiplied by 4, it will give you 8x. 2 multiplied by 4x, rather. So 2 multiplied by 17 is going to give you 34. All right, so you've been able to simplify the powers, so you can cancel out the base. So you now have negative 6x plus 6 will be less or equals to 8x plus 34. All right, so basically you now you collect the like terms so that you can find all the values of x. So you have negative 6x, you bring 8 to the other side because negative 8x will be less or equals to 34. Then we have 6, it's going to give you minus 6. So when you do negative 6x minus 8x, it's going to give you negative 14x, which is less or equals to 34 minus 6 will give you 28. So we can now divide both sides by negative 14, negative 14. So before we can know all the values of x. Then by doing this, we now know that this will cancel this, you have x. Now, whenever you divide any inequality sign with a negative number, it affects the inequality. So since we divided this with negative 14, so this inequality that is less or equals to will now flip to become greater or equals to whatever we get here. Okay, so 28 divided by negative 14 will give you negative 2. These are the values of x. So if you want to write it in the notation, you say that x, okay, sorry, you say that negative 2 to what? To positive infinity. So that is exactly what this means. I hope this is helpful. So you can solve this and put your answer on the comment section. So see you in my next video. Peace out.